Let's explore how to support Gestalt language processors during bathroom and hygiene routines, moments that require privacy, predictability, and emotional safety. What are bathroom and hygiene routines? These routines may include toileting, hand washing, menstrual hygiene, or self-cleaning tasks. They involve multi-step directions, physical regulation, and often unfamiliar language, all of which can feel confusing to GLPs. What makes it hard for GLPs? GLPs often struggle with vague instructions or rush steps. Without repeated scripts and visuals, they may resist, script unrelated language, or avoid the routine entirely. What do they need instead? Support GLPs by pairing visual step-by-step routines with emotionally safe gestalts. Phrases like, "We're walking to the bathroom together," or "Flush is all done, now wash hands," create structure and calm. Top gestalts for bathroom and hygiene. "It's bathroom time, we're walking together." "You're doing it, I'm right here if you need me." "All done with bathroom, now let's wash hands." These simple, emotionally anchored scripts help students feel safe while promoting independence and understanding. How to use this in class. Use a visual sequence. Speak calmly and consistently. Practice routines during non-stressful times so they feel familiar when needed. Looking for scripting visuals and bathroom routine supports? The Visual Nook has tools to make these moments less stressful and more successful, one script at a time.